Welcome to day 5 of becoming an AWS Solutions Architect in 60 days. Today we are going to set up a multi-factor authentication MFA for our AWS accounts. MFA adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone gains access to our passwords, they still cannot log in without the MFA code. To enable this, we need a code generator, such as an Authenticator app. I use Google Authenticator, which you can download from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. How do you enable MFA in the AWS console? We will now go to the AWS Identity and Access Management IAM console to enable the MFA. I am logged in using my IAM user account instead of the root user. In the top right corner, I can see my account alias. Inside the IAM console, I navigate to users and select my IAM user account. Under security credentials, I scroll down until I find the assign MFA device option. I notice that MFA is currently not assigned, so I will click on manage and choose virtual MFA device. Clicking on continue brings me to the next screen where AWS display a QR code. I open Google Authenticator on my phone and scan the QR code using my camera. The Authenticator app generates a 6-digit code. I enter this code in the first input box in AWS. After waiting for a second, a new code appears in the Authenticator app. I enter this second code in the second input box. Once both codes are entered, I click Assigned MFA. Now, MFA is successfully enabled for my IAM user. Now, let's get to testing MFA authentications. To verify that MFA is working, I sign out of AWS and attempt to log back in. On the login screen, I enter my IAM user account ID, username, and password. After clicking sign in, AWS asks for my MFA code. I open Google Authenticator, retrieve the current code, and enter it. Now, I am successfully logged in with multi-factor authentication enabled. Without the MFA code, I will not be able to log in, even with the correct password. This adds an extra layer of protection to my AWS account. Now our account has an additional security measures in place. In the next lesson, we will create IAM users, groups, roles to follow best practices for managing access in AWS.